I'm going to IKEA. And guess what? I'm taking you with me. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button below so that you will be notified on my next video gaya nito. So if you're ready, let's go! And yes, we're going to IKEA and tignan natin kung anong pwede natin bilhin ngayong araw na to. Tara! Hello there! So ngayon pupunta tayo sa taas and tignan natin yung kanilang sale. If there's no sale, of course, ay shopping lang tayo. I don't know what we're going to buy, but they have this one. And a pencil. Dito pa na sa kamera. So, if you're planning to buy a lot, they have a shopping list. There you go. And a pencil. This is for free. And of course, we need to get... Parang ito pwede magpahinga. Ang ganda ng setup. Bahay na bahay talaga. Look at that. Kompletong kompleto. Ang ganda ng sofa. This is like a room already. Ay, may cabinet pa. Oh, my shoes. All in this room are for sale. Just like that. What's this? It's a hanging rock. They're like chairs. Ang ganda. Ang ganito. Ang ganda. This is a baby's room. May TV. This is a TV room. They also have a set-up kitchen just like this. Nice. They also have this set-up toilet. There you go. Hi! IKEA is the best store where you can find everything you need in your humble house. Oh, this is a nice bed! Hi! Ang ganda kasi ng setup. Ang ganda no? Ang ganda ng kulay. Ang ganda ng kulay. Meron akong ganito, super liit lang siya. Ito malaki. Uy! Meron din silang ganito. Nice! Look at that. Setup ng kitchen. Ang ganda. Office chairs. Wow, what a nice bed. Hello! So, wala pa tayong nabibili kasi wala tayong bibilhin. We are just here for eye shopping. Diba? 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 Ang ganda ng setup ng kwarto. Oh, wow! Meron pa silang restroom. Hello there again! Ang ganda ng shower. This is my baby's bed. Meron din silang mga cabinets. Ang gaganda, best. Ay, shopping. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Dolphin!
How are you? Hi, I'm Jayz Bautista. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next video. Bye!
This is a tent bed. What a nice and beautiful one. This is also children's chairs. Nice and beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Ang ganda! Hey, baby. You sleeping well? We are now on our way to the next floor. Kitchen staff tayo ngayon. Ang dami, no?
C037. Please go to counter 4.
So this is what we got today. We have ziplocs. This is a ziploc too, a brush.
Hi, I'm Piggy and my friend is Jayz Bautista. Please subscribe to her channel and please don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next video. Bye! Hello guys, we are friends of Jayz Bautista. Please subscribe to her channel and please don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on her next video. Bye! Hello guys, we are friends of Jayz Bautista. Please subscribe to her channel and please don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on her next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!
So we are done to IKEA and it's time to go home. That's all for tonight, guys, and see you next time. Bye!